Hey, my lovely creatures, you all are welcome back once again to our workout challenge. Today is the day 9 workout challenge. Yesterday, I was unable to do anything because I had so much activities with the kids swimming, march, church, and what have you. So, when I got back here after driving and stuff like that, I was so knackered I couldn't do anything. So, today we continue our workout challenge. Today is day 9, like I said. If this is what you want to watch, stay put, don't go away. But before we hop into it, if you've not subscribed to our channel, please, I beg of you, consider hitting on that subscription button right there. Subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you each time I upload a new video. So I have already set our skipping. I set up 6 minutes today. So let's see what we can achieve with 6 minutes. Okay. So let's continue. In a minute, stand by, run. After that, we'll do the boxing. guys, we have come to the end of today's workout challenge. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate each and every one of you for support, for watching all through. Sorry yesterday I told you what happened, so I can't repeat myself again. Thank you so much. You know what, I will catch you guys up again tomorrow. Don't forget, RosesGlam loves you all. Thank you so much, and take care of you. Bye for now. Don't mind this, it's from the ring light. Thank you, and please do share my video. Thank you. Bye.